Alright, let's go through different laptop brands one by one. Dell, use F8 or Shift plus F8 during boot to access recovery options. On some models, F12 might bring up the boot menu. HP. Press F11 repeatedly right after turning on the laptop, until the recovery option menu appears. Asus. Press F9 right after turning on the laptop. On some models, you may also try Escape or F12. Acer. Press Alt plus F10 as soon as you power on the laptop. MSI. Press F3 during boot to enter the recovery environment. Lenovo. Try F11, or use the Novo button to access recovery options. On some models, with the laptop powered off, you'll need to press the Novo button to bring up the recovery menu.